अब चल रहा है।
Bangles are made. They have taken 1 month training, but they could not make bangles in China with the same process. जैसे कि पतंग उड़ाते हैं ना, वैसे वो बैंगल्स बनती है फिरोजाबाद में। तो कुछ आर्ट वर्क यहाँ का कहीं तो हमको खुश होना है कि चाइना से अच्छे हैं, तो वो है ना। हम लोग ने किल्स के बारे में when we were I tell you 2008 we called a team from UK. They came through UNIDO and उन्होंने they told that kilns in Khurja, tunnel kilns in Khurja are only a hot box. There is no engineering in that. Okay, they think that only heating and means heating and taking out, selling is our job. So heating was the only this, and I was associated with Khurja since 92. 92, if you people, some people will know, Samirga may know, Dadu has put first shuttle kiln in 92. 92, when he has put shuttle kilns, Grindwell Norton, we came, we gave the kiln furniture to him. Okay. And then, next time when I came, Vipul is there, Vipul uncle has put RR Industries. For insulator, they have put one shuttle kiln. So, two shuttle kilns were there, 92. 2004 when I came, even that downdraft coal-fired kilns were running, and Singhania Saha was known for supplying coal to all the industries. And till 2009, so many industries were having downdraft and this. So I have put about kiln this thing engineering part. Then means kiln car pushing system, nothing. Gear system, burners, these were not the important. Their objective was to heat the products. Okay. Now we did all that analysis, and with Steel Authority of India Limited, Ranchi, we did lot of work on kiln engineering, and we modified the kilns. Then means in 2006-07, अगर बोलते हैं कि अगर आप किसी की उस टाइम की बात कर रहा हूँ, हम किसी की फैक्ट्री विजिट करने जाते तो ये लोग सोचते कि ये हमारे से कुछ देख के चला जाएगा और किसी और को बता देगा। तो हमने, you will not believe, for 6 months I stopped entering to anybody's factory. Go to office, discuss, if interested, then we will take interest in his factory. So 6, 7, 8 months तक हमको बहुत मीन्स अपोज कर रहे थे लोग, जबकि कुछ था नहीं उसमें, था नहीं। लेकिन वो इन लोग को फिर बाद में जब हमारा काम किए हम लोग, ये लोग खुद बुला के अंदर कि हमारा भी करा दीजिए कुछ, हमारा भी। वो स्टेज को हमने टर्न अराउंड किया, हीट रिकवरी सिस्टम पे काम किया। एक इंडस्ट्री में प्री हीटिंग जोन वी हैव पुट, waste heat we have sucked and made another pre-heating zone. You know that some people that they use the waste heat of the tunnel kiln. वो टनल किल के साइड में ही सारी ट्रॉली लगा देते हैं, वहीं लगा देते हैं और सोचते हैं यही ट्राई कर रहा है हमारे उसको। तो हमने कहा जब तुम्हारी यही हैबिट है, तो हमने उसको फाइबर से और एक बना के एक और रेल लगाई और बना के ट्रैक बना के और बोला कि ट्रॉली ही इसके अंदर ले आओ, इस वेस्ट हीट को सारी दीवार से वो यूज करते थे। नाउ यू सक दिस वेस्ट हीट एंड यूज इन दिस, एंड वी टोल्ड दैट इट विल बी प्री हीटिंग जोन, which is new concept. Okay, that we did. हमने टेक्नोलॉजी पे आप देखते हैं मशीन्स होती हैं, मेथड्स होते हैं, मटेरियल्स होते हैं, मैन पावर होता है, वो सब पे देखा। और जब हमने डायग्नोसिस किया, रोलर हेड जिगर डेवलप कराए। रोल मीन्स इन 2013 when we went to Japan, all our means Japan that All our jigar jollies were kept in the museum, जो अभी खुर्जा में चलती हैं। इन लोगों को दिखाया कि जिगर जोली तो सब म्यूजियम में है। वहाँ पे बोला कितने साल पुराना म्यूजियम है, 10 years। तो 2009 का फर्स्ट विजिट था, तो 2009 के विजिट में 10 years पहले है। 99 में जिगर जोली सब जापान में म्यूजियम में थी, रोलर हेड जिगर चल रहे थे। तो किसी को कन्विंस किया, वो रोलर हेड जिगर सेकंड हैंड उठाए एंड खुर्जा में रोलर हेड जिगर डेवलप किए। नाउ इवन सिंघानिया साहब के यहाँ एटलीस्ट 8 और 9 रोलर हेड जिगर्स चल रहे हैं। खुर्जा में रोलर हेड जिगर एक्सपोज हुए। पैड प्रिंटिंग, टनल किल्स के मॉडिफिकेशंस, हमने फिर वेट रिडक्शन पे, डेड मास वेट रिडक्शन पे काम किया। फास्ट फायरिंग स्टोनवेयर बॉडी लगाई, वेस्ट मिनिमाइजेशन सर्किल्स किए। उसके बाद मैन पावर ट्रेनिंग, एक्सपोजर विजिट्स मैन पावर के लिए। कॉमन फैसिलिटी सेंटर ऑलमोस्ट 2 करोड़ रुपए वर्थ गवर्नमेंट एडेड ग्रांट, 2 करोड़ वर्थ CFC लगाया। क्लस्टर के ऊपर बुक्स लिखी, हिंदी इंग्लिश सभी हैं। बुक्स फॉर द क्लस्टर, बुक्स ऑन द क्लस्टर। वी रोट मेड ए almost 250 pages history of Khurja book published. Dr. Kalam came, he recommended us to DST and 20 lakh rupee DST paid us to write a book on history of the Khurja, that book, and that book is there. Waste collection, utilization, हमने लोगों को स्टैटिस्टिकल एनालिसिस करके उन लोग का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके उनके यहाँ सॉल्यूशन था। हमारे पूरा उस टाइम सभी लोग के पास वो ट्रबल शूट शीट्स होती थी। यू कम टेल योर प्रॉब्लम वेदर इट इज ए स्मॉल और बिग, द ट्रबल शूट शीट्स एवरीवन विल फिल अप एंड दोस शीट्स वी विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स। So it was those problems where means our knowledge is required. So knowledge based troubleshooting, cost reduction techniques, ये सब किया। DD kiln like this, DD kiln this DD kiln like this, right? You see this much smoke used to come out. Now those kiln, I am just trying to show. This Ava kilns also were there, popular up to 2005 there. Shuttle kilns model we made the models and then we showed to the pupil. All these models we made in a wood and showed to all the pupil and gave the training because there was nothing to show. Then all this roller kiln, shuttle kiln, gas fired roller earth kiln, and then all these were installed in Khurja and in our CGCRI. Car base we showed. Car base were dead mass. Car base were with the bricks. Then these bricks were removed. In the center we filled up the fiber. After fiber, this thing, then we have fiber. Then after that we have developed fiber density is almost 1 grams per cc. Okay. We developed a material, refractory material, which had the density 0.7 grams per cc. And this fiber, once you repair any trolley, the trolley means then the trolley fiber, once heated, आप उसको दोबारा यूज नहीं कर सकते। उसका वो भी फ्लाई करेगा और मीन्स पॉल्यूशन क्रिएट करेगा। इसकी लाइफ सपोज 1 year, that ultra low density globules which developed life for 10 years। उससे मॉडिफिकेशन किया किल्स का प्रोडक्ट लिए। उसके बाद ये तो लास्ट है, हमने ये किल्स का मॉडिफिकेशन किए सब वो। अब ये कॉमन है, which was very much uncommon. Now those tunnel kilns बहुत कॉमन है ये सब. ये सब किया. Weight reduction बोला. Weight reduction dead mass means 19.9% weight reduction. We converted almost suppose 6-9 trolleys will be 3-6-9 trolleys used to be in heating zone. So those trolleys were made low thermal mass. So fuel saving 5%. If we made 18 trolleys conversion, 13.7%. 28 trolleys conversion, 17.5%. This way we have convinced the people, and that all investment, because no one as MSME will not get ready so easily to convert. Now on this basis we convinced the people, and now shown that whatever investment you are doing in your trolley is means return on investment is 8 to 9 months. And now if I say dead mass reduction in kiln furniture 88% means we have come from 5 kg to 1.2 kg, and now trolleys are at 5 kg to 600 grams. 5 kg. And if you see the history, this downdraft kiln means Sagar used to be 10 kg. Crockery inside the Sagar will be 1 kg. So 1 to 10 ratio. So the 10 has become 0.6, 600 grams now. So all means most of the means you can say 15% tunnel kiln cars are at 1 kg crockery, 600 grams kiln furniture dead mass. Kiln car base dead mass we have reduced 30%. Ware's loading density has improved depending on product to product 10 to 30%. Fuel saving has gone 12 to 30%. So this way we have progressed. Different dead mass. Then we have now we have come to this recrystallized silicon carbide, nitride bonded silicon carbide beams, and porous circular this lamination, this cordite beds, and now you see this is 600 grams. Beams are there, rods are there, supports are made with that recrystallized silicon carbide. All this is from China, import. So 600 grams. These different stages of reduction in dead mass. This was that ultra low 0.7 grams per cc. That was filled in place of the fiber. Now, surprisingly, when in Khurja, when we see the talk about the pollution, all those downdraft kilns closed. Then we have worked with the director of industries, and we mindset people, they were not ready to change. So then when we were working for Adani Gas to bring to Khurja, so then association people only itself have opposed us. They said ये हमारे पेट में कमर में छुरा भोंक रहे हैं, अडानी को ला रहे हैं, हमारा कोयला बंद होगा. वो हमने फेस किया है. So Dr. Mathi was here director. He has taken, he used to be very popular among industries. So he told that Adani को ना आप पूरा तो market assessment करिए, how much fuel and oil is being used. So oil also here I can talk काला तेल, kerosene, डीजल, एलडीओ तो दूर दूर तक था ही नहीं. तो वो अगर बोलेंगे तो पॉल्यूशन तो रबर ऑयल वो सब चलता था, असेसमेंट किया। You will not believe that for a year, Adani office was opened in CGCRI campus. He used to pay us 2,000 rupee rent, and we told don't put any board here. And they worked there, and when all that lining work was over, office was opened, and Adani supply was opened. So Adani at those days, I used to tell these people that please take the Adani gas connection. People were not ready. People were, and you know Adani. So he has taken all measures, and people were forced, and now time came that there used to be a waiting list. Because he has to bring that gas full setup assembly. So that around 4-5 lakh rupee assembly were not easily available, and he cannot buy 100 and keep in his office. So people were in the queue and waiting, and the day came, people used to come to us that please recommend us that Adani give us gas connection. That day also came, and it has gone on this. So when all this happened, we were finding around Khurja building bricks. वो भट्टे चलते हैं, मिश्रा जी को मालूम है, वो भट्टे चलते हैं, तो उसमें उस पर भी बैन आया एनसीआर में, that building bricks. So that building bricks chimneys that used to give pollution level, CO level used to be 1800 plus ppm, whereas our standard says it should be less than 300. So अगर वो that building brick traditional kiln is running, so one kiln is polluting up to almost 6 times more. So around Khurja we had some 4-5 that Dr. Somnath Roy is sitting here. We have made the change in those kilns, and there is Priya Clay Products in Khurja, in Banaras. We modified 5 kilns. Technology was zigzag kiln technology. मिश्रा जी की भी बात कराए हम उनसे, and CO level from 1600 it came to 278, and suppose this चिमनी आप उनके चिमनी से जो स्मोक निकलता था वो मालूम ही नहीं होता था कि फर्नेस चल रहा है। और जो पुरानी किल्न थी उनकी अगर आप रूफ पे वॉक करेंगे, मैं फोटो भी दिखाऊंगा, वॉक करेंगे तो टेम्परेचर यूज टू बी 100 प्लस। और ये डॉक्टर सोमनाथ रॉय और हम, टेम्परेचर वाज between 35 and 40 and in summer, and kiln is running, and you will not see any smoke outside the chimney, and we were able to walk on the roof of the kiln. Those kilns modified to Khurja, then flue gas and this air quality monitoring project UP government gave us, and we did this. Then now that level has, so now you see pollution level, temperature came to 135 to came 42 degree, 85 cold, that strength 85 kg per centimeter square, gone to 120 kg of the building bricks kilns. Modulus, आप देखते ना, मैडम बोल रही थी कि हमारी क्रॉकरी मजबूत नहीं है, तो ये क्या देखती है, टक 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 आवाज करके देखते ना, कप को मार के देखते हैं आवाज है कि नहीं। वो ये यंग्स मॉडुलस है, यंग्स मॉडुलस वो हमारा 1 GPS है, यानी ब्रिक की स्ट्रेंथ, वो सीसी स्ट्रेंथ तो बढ़ी, वो यंग्स मॉडुलस 1 से चला गया 1.6 पे, 60% वो ऊपर चला गया। जिगजैग किल्न स्ट्रक्चर था। अब आप देखिए चिमनी की हाइट ऑलमोस्ट 70% बढ़ा दी गई थी। ये लोग हम लोग खड़े हैं वहाँ फोटो में, रूप पे ही खड़े हैं। ये लोग ऊपर जा रहे हैं, इनमें डॉक्टर सोमनाथ